Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to get live caption for social media. Simply go to the settings and scroll down, tap on the option accessibility. Then here you can see the option hearing enhancements. Select this one. So here you can see the option live caption. Turn on this option. Tap on OK. You can see live caption detect speech on your device and automatically generate captions. Okay, so this is perfect for watching videos in public without sound. It automatically puts text on your screen for any video, even if the app does not support captions. So simply in this way we can get the live caption for social media on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.